Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to measure voltage. So let's get on it. So I have extension wire. As you can see, it has 250 volts. 250 volts. So from the range selector, since it has no polarity, we select AC voltage for the range selector. So we're gonna set on let's gonna try out the selector to 1k. So as you can see, it has no accurate measurement. The pointing of the needle has no permanent point. So since it has 250 volts, we're gonna set the range to 250 AC. So alright, so as you can see, the needle pointed at 200 11 something, so it has accurate reading. So from here, 200 or 200 205, so it has 215 volts. Let's gonna try some batteries. So the battery has 1.5 volts. So let's gonna set the selector to 2.5. So since it has polarity, so the red is for positive and the black is for negative. So let's try. So as you can see, it has the same reading on the multimeter, because it has 1.5 volts. That's it.